So this is Justice, the real estate agent. So today we're going to take a look at a $700,000 property, a little bit more, but we're able to get it below asking price because this is with a relocation company. So a great strategy, you can ask your agent, or if you're just a buyer independent. If it's sold by a relocation company, of course it's a bigger entity, and sometimes they're not as sentimental about the homes, but the homes are still meticulously maintained. They often give you an inspection report, proof of this, proof of that. So you have all your receipts, but they're looking to just move a unit. So we were able to get this one below asking price, and I think it's a great home. It's here in Lake Nona, Village Walk, so really affluent area, and it's a great strategy. So if you have that in your mind as far as, okay, is it a relocation company? If you ever hear that, or if you can look, people look for foreclosure, people look for different deals, but you know, the property is gonna be a foreclosed property and it has that type of condition, yeah? So this is something that you can keep in mind. Relocation companies specifically, that's a good strategy. And communities like Village Walk are great for people who like all-in-one bundles. You're paying for your HOA, but you can't really beat in the amenities, basketball courts, tennis courts. It has everything. So it's a pro and con if you're that type of person, but of course HOAs have rules, but a lot of these homes are beautifully maintained and it's a great neighborhood. So let me know what you think.